Hi, everybody. You're watching this video because for the adventure that you chose to do the daily writing exercises. Please note that this work is adapted from Passionate Readers author Pernell Ripp, and I am using it with permission. As you approach this work, I want you to read and follow the instructions for each section. Your work needs to be done in this Google document. Please remember that this work is independent, it's original, it shows your own thinking. You may not find answers on the internet, and you may not collaborate with other people. So as you're doing this work, you are going to have within this choice, you are going to have options for how you're going to complete the work. You can either type your work in the table I'm about to show you, or if you prefer to handwrite, you can handwrite your work on paper, take a picture of that handwritten work, and you can insert that image into the table below. So you can either handwrite and put in a picture, or you can type right in the Google Doc. For the lessons that you have, you're going to have videos some days to watch that introduce the exercises to you. Other days it'll just be written instructions, and then your job is to practice and try that exercise that was introduced to you. The required details for your work, I want you to show me that you're truly trying to push yourself as a writer. I want you to have some fun with this. It doesn't have to be great, but it should show some of that effort. And if you are doing the handwriting option, it needs to be legible. If I can't read it, I can't assess it. So the steps you're going to take on this adventure is you're going to read through all of the instructions that are posted. You're going to choose whether you're going to type or handwrite your responses. And so just how are you going to share your work each day? You're going to watch the daily video or read the instructions for the exercise. You're going to then try that exercise. At the bottom of the table, you'll see that there are some optional tasks. If you choose one of those optional tasks, you need to copy it from the optional section into the table for the date where you're going to do that work. That way I just see that you have substituted one of the optional pieces for one of the items that's in there. So let's take a look at the table so you can see what I'm talking about. So you'll see here's the day for the assignment. Here is the exercise, and here's a video link where you can watch the video to see and understand what the exercise is. And then what it tells you to do here is to create your own concrete poem. So in this space right here in the table, you are either going to type in your concrete poem, or if you wrote your concrete poem on paper, you're going to take a picture of that and you're going to insert the image into this section. And then each day you'll see that there is a new daily writing exercise. So there's no video for this one. However, here are the instructions. And then in this spot right here is where you will do your creation. Again, either typing right here or inserting an image of your handwritten work. So as you go through, you'll see there are all of these different activities for you to practice your writing each day. And then down at the bottom of the table, you'll see that there are 4 optional writing assignments. And so here's option 1. If you choose to do one of these options, again, let's say you choose to do this option here instead of this option here. So you'll highlight all of this and you'll paste it up here so that I know you did one of these options on this day instead of doing this particular assignment. So you do have 4 things that you can substitute. These are not extra, but there are 4 different things that you can substitute in case something up here doesn't appeal to you. But as you can see by this, there is an assignment for every day, and that's just helpful for some of you who like that deadline kind of thing with some variety. So I hope that you enjoy practicing your daily writing exercises as you take this particular adventure.